Good morning, dear students. So, I hope you are revising your question answers very well. So, today the chapter which we will discuss is your next chapter from the last, the necklace. Okay. This is a very interesting kind of story, bache. Here, the main characters are these: Madame Loisel, her name is Matilda. Okay. Mr. Loisel, her husband, who is a clerk, and Madame Forestier, who is the friend of Madame Loisel. Okay, so these are the three main characters in this story. Now, see, what this story revolves around is basically it's a story of a middle class woman, okay, who desires to live very luxurious life, okay, and her this desire proves to be very dangerous for her, okay. She is not satisfied with the life what she was living at present, ठीक है, वो सेटिस्फाइड संतुष्ट नहीं होती हैं, कंटेंट नहीं होती हैं अपनी लाइफ से जो वो अभी एट प्रेजेंट जी रही होती हैं, okay. She always desires to have a big house, okay, all the servants working for her, and a very luxurious kind of life, okay, all the delicacies she want in her life. But unfortunately she is not having all these things, okay. That is why she is very much unhappy with her life, okay. She desires to marry with a rich husband, but as her family is a middle class family and they don't afford to give so much of dowry to any rich person whom she could marry, okay. So she married to a clerk who works in an education department, okay. Now after her marriage, okay, when one day this Mr. Loisel he gets an invitation from minister's party, okay, बहुत बड़े लेवल पे पार्टी होती है, and he gets the invitation from there, and he thinks कि my wife would be so happy after seeing this invitation, okay, because she always has a dream to go to such places. Then when he hands over the card to her wife, to his wife, sorry, then she gets very disappointed. She says, I don't have any proper dress or get up to go to such party, okay. So it's not better ki I go there, you may give this card to any other of your colleague, okay. Then he says, okay, chalo, I'll give you the money you want for buying a new dress, okay. Then whatever money he has saved to buy a gun, for as he was interested in hunting, so he hands over that money to his wife and says, chalo, buy a suitable dress for yourself. Then she buys a very beautiful gown for herself, and now she is worried about her jewelry कि मैं कैसे jewelry I have got a good dress now, I want a jewelry also with this. Now her husband suggest her to borrow a necklace from her रिच फ्रेंड मैडम फॉरेस्टियर, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही रिच होती हैं, तो वो उन्हें एडवाइस करते हैं कि क्यों ना तुम अपनी फ्रेंड से एक नेकलेस बोरो करो, ओके. देन शी डज द सेम, शी बोरोज अ डायमंड नेकलेस फ्रॉम मैडम फॉरेस्टियर, okay. Now she was all set for the party, she was very happy, she was looking very beautiful, very very elegant among all the women present there, okay. So when they were returning from the party and they reached home, then she found that the necklace was not there, okay. They searched every place wherever they went, the cab in which they came, uh, but they were unsuccessful in finding the necklace, okay. Now finally this decides कि we had to bring a exactly same necklace and give it to Madame Forestier, okay. They decide to replace the necklace, okay, with a new one. So they buy a new diamond necklace for Madame Forestier and hands over to her, okay. Now for buying this new diamond necklace they had to invest all their money, whatever they had collected till now, they have earned till now in their life, okay. So now they had no money left, so they had to leave their home, also their apartment, and go to a very small apartment in a very shabby corner of the city, okay. And she had to live like servants, she had to do all the household chores, okay. जो भी आज तक उन्होंने घर के काम नहीं किए थे वो सब उन्हें करने पड़े, because they had taken a big loan to repay the अमाउंट ऑफ द डायमंड नेकलेस। ठीक है, एक बहुत बड़ा लोन उन्होंने अपने ऊपर उधार ले रखा था। तो अब इस कर्ज को चुकाने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स दे हैड टू थ्रू अवे ऑल देयर luxurious whatever kind of life they were living till now. Okay, now she started doing all kind of works, and because of this she has lost her beauty now. Okay, because it took them almost 10 years to work like this for repaying the amount of the debt they had taken. Okay, so now she had become a very crude, very hard kind of, very shabby kind of woman. She was no more beautiful now, no more elegant now. Okay, her beauty was gone now. Okay, now one day when she meets Madame Forestier, now she and when she saw Madame Forestier, she was still very young and pretty. Then she thought of telling all this to her कि चलो now I should tell her the truth कि I had lost your necklace, and the necklace which I gave you was a replacement necklace, means it was not your but a new one we bought for you. Okay, then when she tells her all these things कि you were responsible for my this kind of life, as for you we bought that necklace, then Madame Forestier was so much astonished. Okay, she was so much surprised and said कि mine were the false necklaces. Okay, it was not a true diamond necklace, वो तो नकली सेट था, एंड यू बॉट अ रियल वन फॉर मी, है ना, और आपने अपने लाइफ के 10 years वेस्ट कर दिए जस्ट फॉर दैट फॉल्स नेकलेस सेट. ओके, तो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी बच्चे, द नेकलेस. एंड फ्रॉम दिस वुड यू कम टू नो कि वॉट एवर यू हैव इन योर लाइफ, कि आपके पास अपनी लाइफ में जितना भी है, यू शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट. यू शुड हैप्पीली लिव योर लाइफ विद वॉट एवर यू हैव. ओके, चाहे कम हो लेकिन आपको उसी के साथ संतुष्ट होना चाहिए, उसी के साथ जितने भी आप खुशी से जी सको, आपको अपनी लाइफ उसी में स्पेंड करनी चाहिए. ओके, यू विल इफ़ यू विल गो आफ्टर द थिंग्स विच यू डू नॉट हैव, or if you desire the things which you cannot have, then of course you may not live a very happily life. Okay, so this was the chapter. So the main characteristics which we may see about Madame Matilda is I have written here. See, she was exceptionally pretty, but she belonged to a middle class family. कि यही उसका अनफॉर्चुनेट था कि इतनी खूबसूरत होने के बावजूद भी वो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती थी, जिसे वो अपना अनफॉर्चुनेट मानती थी. And she wished to be admired and loved and to be married to some rich person. Okay, हमेशा उनकी क्या चाहत रहती थी कि वो उनकी कोई ना कोई तारीफ करे, उन्हें कोई ना कोई प्यार करे, और वो उनकी शादी एक रिच पर्सन के साथ हो. ओके, बट अनलकीली, ऐसा दुर्भाग्यवश उनके साथ ऐसा होता नहीं है, बिकॉज हर फैमिली वॉज नॉट विलिंग टू गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ डोरी, सो शी हैड टू मैरी अ पेटी क्लर्क. ओके, एक क्लर्क से उन्हें शादी करनी पड़ती है. नाउ शी वॉज ऑलवेज ग्रम्बलिंग, मतलब हमेशा सोचती रहती थी, ख्याली पुलाव पकाती रहती थी, काश मेरे पास ये होता, मैं ऐसी लाइफ जी रही होती. ओके, शी वॉज ऑलवेज थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑल दोज लग्जरीज एंड डेलिकेसीज. शी वॉज वेरी ड्रीमी काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, एम्बिशियस एंड वेन. और उनका यही जो नेचर है बच्चे, दिस पुश्ड हर इनटू द ट्रबल, कि उसके इसी नेचर की वजह से वो इतनी सारी मुसीबतों में फंस गई. ओके, शी हैड टू पे अ हैवी प्राइस फॉर हर फुलिश डिज़ायर्स, कि अपनी ये जो उसकी बेवकूफ़ वाली जो डिज़ायर्स थी, उनके लिए उसे लाइफ में बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ी. उसने वो नेकलेस लॉस्ट कर दिया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस उनकी बर्बादी शुरू हो गई लाइफ में. And because of this also she became a very crude, hard and shabby kind of woman. अपनी सारी ब्यूटी अब वो खो चुकी थी. Okay, but we can say कि she was a very brave and honest woman, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो 10 साल इतनी मेहनत करी. ओके, वो लोग टूटे नहीं, हारे नहीं, उन्होंने मेहनत करके वो सारा कर्ज चुकाया, और ऑनेस्टली मैडम फॉरेस्टियर को सारी सच्चाई भी बताई. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट योर दिस चैप्टर. Revise all your question answers which are there in your notebook. If you find any difficulty or learning in any of the questions, you may ask me. Thank you, बच्चे.